now we have discussed about triple property and SS property. Now let's discuss about ASA property. So ASA property, let's take an example. We have a picture here that is ADBC. This one the diagram is formed. In that we can observe there are two triangles are formed. That is, first triangle is triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Triangle ABD and triangle ABC. ABD and ABC, two triangles are formed. That is, we can observe. Let's find out. This is ABD, one of the triangle, and the remaining triangle is ABC. ADB and ABC, two triangles are formed. So let's take the two triangles separately to know about the ASA property. ASA property we have discussed earlier about it. The two angles and one of the side is correspondingly equal to another triangle. So then we call it as ASA property. Let's draw this picture separately, like triangle ADB separately and triangle ABC separately. So then it forms in this manner. Triangle ADB, triangle ABC, ABC. So in this we can observe first triangle, and that is here the angle is formed is 45 plus 30 is 75, and then here with the B is formed with the 30 degrees angle, and then if we take triangle ABC, that this is angle A with the form of 30 degrees angle. Excuse me. When we take B, angle B, that is 75 degrees. So these are the two triangles which we have separated from this picture. Triangle ADB is first triangle. Triangle ABC, we have divided this picture into two triangles. So to understand clearly and find out the parts of it. So let's compare this corresponding parts of these two triangles. When we flip this one of the triangle to another, and then they're exactly equal. So the angles corresponding parts will be equal. So look at these triangles. When we flip them, then angle B is equal to angle A it becomes. So they are similar to each other. And then angle A what is formed, and then part of this angle A is formed, the part of angle B. So let's observe the part of angle A here only for 30 degrees. That is a part of angle B here 30 degrees. Both the angles will become the corresponding angles. Both are equal, and one of the side is equal, that is AB. Is the common side AB. So common side in both the triangles. So AB and AB. So the corresponding parts are equal in each other. They equal. So and when we observe these two triangles, when we separated these two, these are looking like they are not equal, but they are not corresponding to each other. But we need to flip them. So this is when we flip this. So angle A is formed with the angle A is formed with the 30 degrees. So here. So angle A is formed with the 30 degrees. So angle B is formed with the 75 degrees. So angle A and angle B are corresponding to each other in this part. So angle A here, what is the angle part of angle B is equals to part of angle A. So part of angle B is equals to part of angle A. The corresponding parts of that particular part is corresponding parts of that are equal. When we flip them, then angle B exactly will come to the A. So that's the reason these are looking A B are equal. So A and B are equal. When we observe this angle A, completely angle 45, completely two parts. When we add 45 plus 30, angle A, and angle B 45 plus 30, that's exactly equal. So that's the reason we can take angle B is equals to angle A. So angle A and angle B are equal. There become the corresponding parts when we flip that. So angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B, that is 30 degrees. And angle A is equal to angle B. When we take that these two parts, angle A and angle B, and angle A and angle B, again the other part is also 75 degrees. And one of the side is equal, that is AB. AB is equal to AB. It's a common side for both. So when there are two angles and one of the side is correspondingly equal to another triangle, then we call them they are congruent to each other using the criterion rule of AC property, AC. So let's go to the next concept, that is RHS property. Already we have discussed about RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. So let's take the example. So when we compare two triangles and one of the right angle and both the triangles, they are correspondingly equal. The corresponding angles are a right angle. So another side is one of the opposite side or equal, and another side is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse must be equal in both the triangles. So what we have understood, and then we take the two triangles, right angle, corresponding angles for right angle. The hypotenuse part is equal, and one of the base or height, that means adjacent side or opposite side, is equal. Either adjacent side or hypotenuse side is equal. And hence we say that they are congruent to each other using the criterion rule of RHS. So let's take an example. That is, we have one of the picture here that two triangles are formed. That is angle PQS, angle PRS, or we can call angle PSQ, and triangle PSQ and triangle PSR. Let's recall. And this we can observe two triangles that are triangle PSQ and triangle PSR. PSQ and PSR. The two triangles, when we take them, the corresponding parts of them are equal. Like we have discussed earlier, triangle PSQ and triangle PSR is looking opposite sides are equal, but when we flip that one of the triangle to another, they line on each other and their corresponding parts will be equal. They are equal, so they look same with the length and the same size and same shape. So they're congruent to each other. So let's draw this picture separately, the triangles. So in this we can form triangle PSQ, triangle PSQ, and another triangle is triangle PSR, two triangles. So in this, let's write whatever the parts are given in this. This is PQ, this is 3 centimeters. This is 90 degrees to this side, and either side is also 90 degrees. And PR is 3 centimeters. Now let's write these parts of this triangle, and let's see. And this PQ, this one we are discussing about. So PQ is equals to PR is equals to 3 centimeters, and angle S, like the three letters we write, angle PSQ is equals to angle PSR is equals to 90 degrees, and one of the common sign is present is PS is equals to PS, is a common sign. Let's recall. PQ is equals to PR, so the corresponding parts are equal. We have discussed to flip the triangle, then they become corresponding parts. So PQ and PR will become equal, 3 centimeters. So angle PSQ and angle PSR, they both are equal, 90 degrees. So when we flip also, the side of opposite sides will become the same, so 90 degrees. And we can observe there is a common side, it is PS and PS. PS is a common side for both, so PS is equals to PS, and this, so corresponding. So PQ is equals to PR is equals to 3 centimeters, and angle PSQ is equals to angle PSR is 90 degrees, And one of the common side is present in both the triangles, that is PS and PS. Both the triangles have the common side of PS. PS is equals to PS. And then we observe here one of the right angle is present in both the triangles. One of the S is S. When we flip the triangle, one of the triangle, so they lie on each other. They both are as it is same. So we can observe angle S is equal to angle S. They are common and 90 degrees. So we can call PSQ and PSR 90 degrees. And PS is equal to PS. It's a common side for both. And we can observe that there is a hypotenuse opposite to 90 degrees. We know that in a right angle triangle opposite to 90 degrees, what is the side is present, that is called hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse we call PQ and PR, and PQ is equal to PR, the hypotenuse is equal. And then what we observe here, one of the angle in both the triangles is 90 degrees, and the hypotenuse parts of the two triangles are equal. So PQ, PR, and one of the adjacent side or opposite side. Here opposite side because the common side they have, so opposite side is equal. So using the RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side, and the corresponding right angle, hypotenuse side are equal, and both the triangles. So then we call this property as RHS property. So up to now we have discussed about the congruency of triangles, that is the different types of criterion rules of triangles, that is triples and SAS, SA and RHS. So this is the concept about the congruency.